Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I am really excited because today we're gonna do my first clean with me. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I don't really know, but my apartment, my townhouse is literally a hot mess. I am going to clean because my parents are coming this weekend, and I'm only going to do the downstairs just because the upstairs is pretty clean. I love watching cleaning videos, and I figured why not make one. But yeah, I keep saying I keep saying but, I keep saying like, I keep saying yeah, I keep saying literally. So deal with it. I'm just kidding. I'm not really sure how to film this, so I'm gonna try my best. Bear with me. Again, it's my first clean with me, so hopefully it goes well. If you were here because you like to watch cleaning videos and you've never seen my channel before, you've never heard of me before, my name is Megan. I'm 21 years old. I'm a senior in college. I will be graduating this May. And I love talking about and experiencing things in life that everybody else is kind of afraid to talk about. So welcome to the channel. If you like the video, comment down below if you enjoy cleaning videos. And if you don't enjoy cleaning videos, tell me what videos that you do like watching, because maybe it's a video that I just haven't thought about making before, and we can definitely do that. But I'm excited to have you here. Welcome back. How you doing? How's it going? And I'm so anyways, let's get into this clean with me. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're enjoying it so far. I am sorry about the angles on the video. I literally just learned about wide angle yesterday, I think. So on the next cleaning videos and other videos moving forward, I will definitely use that so that it'll look better and you can see more of what I'm doing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope that you are loving it as much as I am. yeah, so as you saw, everybody forgets that one dish. Do you guys do that? Is that relatable or no? Also, do you like when people scrub out the sink? It's so satisfying for me, but let me know what you guys think about it. Alright, so we just finished the dishes, so now we have to clean off like the countertops, the stove, microwave, all that stuff. As you can see, I've been using the Jaws cleaning like kit. It is amazing. Yeah, let's get to finishing up cleaning up the rest of this kitchen. Alright, so here we are in the bathroom. I'm just spraying the toilet down with Lysol and the Jaws disinfecting cleaner. If you guys would like me to do an in-depth video of why I'm in love with Jaws and their products, then I definitely can, because I only mentioned it once earlier. So just let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see that video. Yeah, so ask me what that is. I don't know. I don't know. And just in case you were wondering, that spot I could not get out. We ended up getting a steam mop like a week after this video was filmed, and that got it up. But y'all, I scrubbed and scrubbed. I know I just showed a short clip, but I scrubbed, so it just would not come up for me. Share this video with anybody that you think might like it. I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.